Hello friends! Today I'm going to share with you an extremely simple yet incredibly effective tip for propagating Bougainvillea by cuttings. We'll help plants grow roots quickly using only completely natural ingredients available in the kitchen: eggs, garlic, aloe vera, and rice. First, choose a healthy Bougainvillea branch and remove all the leaves at the bottom. This helps the branch concentrate nutrients for root development. If you love paper flowers and want to propagate colorful pots yourself, don't miss this video. If you find my paper flowers beautiful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to support me in making more interesting videos. Cut an aloe leaf lengthwise and soak the Bougainvillea stem in aloe vera gel for about 5 minutes to sterilize and stimulate growth. You'll need to prepare an egg. Take only the egg yolk, then squeeze in half a lemon and stir well. A mixture of lemon and egg yolk will help the Bougainvillea branch easily grow new roots. This method is simple, effective, and especially uses natural ingredients that are safe for plants. Dip the base of the Bougainvillea stems into the egg yolk mixture for 10 minutes. While waiting, chop the remaining aloe vera leaf and mince a peeled garlic clove. Squeeze the remaining half lemon. Chop the peeled garlic cloves and place them in a small cup. Add 200 milliliters of water and 1 spoon of rice. Stir the mixture well and let it sit for 5 minutes to let the essence soak into the water. Use clean, river sand as the growing medium. Sand helps plants avoid waterlogging, limits root rot, helps roots grow well, keeps branches stable, and easily controls humidity. Pour the egg yolk mixture into the sand cup, then fill the cup almost full of sand. Strain out the remaining pulp from the aloe. Vera, garlic, and rice mixture. Use the filtered water to moisten the sand. Finally, insert the paper flower branch into the middle of the cup. Cover with a plastic bag and use a tie to seal and create high humidity to help the plant root quickly. Place the cup in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. After just 3 days, you will be amazed to see healthy, young roots starting to grow from the base of the Bougainvillea branch. Try this method and share your results with me. Don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow gardeners and subscribe to the channel for more great tips. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have learned many useful tips for caring for Bougainvillea. See you in the next interesting videos.